Okay, so this is the DepEd Order number 7, series of 2020. Okay, school calendar and activities for school year 2020-2021. Okay, so tignan natin yung content. Tignan natin ang content nitong DepEd Order number 7, series of 2020. So, tama naman, wala naman tayong kontra dito sa mga nilalaman ng DepEd order na ito, the unprecedented outbreak to COVID-19 which resulted in the implementation of various. Okay, tama naman yan. Okay. The Department of Education committed to ensure educational continuity. Okay, tama. Okay, agree naman tayo dito sa sa nilalaman ng DepEd order. Pero ito number 5. Let's read number 5. School opening shall not necessarily mean traditional face-to-face learning in the classroom. The physical opening of school will depend on the risk, severity, grading, or classification of locality pursuant to guidelines of DOH, IATF, Office of the President. Even in areas where protocols are allowed to open, physical distancing will be required, which will necessitate schools to combine face-to-face learning with distance learning. Okay? So, yun ang number 5 na ang nilalaman ng DepEd Order. Number 7 series of 2020. Yung number 4, sabi niya to, the pushback in the formal school opening by nearly 3 months from the traditional opening of the first Monday of June is extended to afford DepEd enough time to undertake necessary preparation in what will be the extraordinary challenging school year. Okay? So, wala naman tayong kontra dito at para sa ikakaganda lang naman ng sistema. Pero dito tayo nga sa number 6. Okay? Number 6. Number 6. Okay. So, number 6. Because of the compressed school year, the Secretary is authorizing the holding of Saturday classes. Yes, Saturday classes. Yes. Saturday classes through the conduct of distance learning activities. Okay, ulitin ko lang through the conduct of distance learning activities to be undertaken by learners. Okay, distance learning activities. Okay, pursuant to Republic Act number 7797. Okay, should religious consideration of prohibits these Saturday activities, yung mga religious activities, shall be undertaken on Sundays. In all, the total school days in 2020-21 school year will be 203 days. Okay, so ulitin lang natin yung number 6. Sabi dito, the Secretary is authorizing the holding of Saturday classes. Ino-authorize niya yung mga Saturday classes, but through the conduct of distance learning activities. Alam ba yung distance? Distance learning activities. Maliwanag po yan, distance learning. Pero tingnan natin kung tama ba ang ginawa ang learning intervention shot yung mga ALS yan. Then private schools. Okay? So ito yung nilalaman, the implementing. Okay, ito yung DepEd order number 7 series of 2020. Okay? Ito yung mga enclosure, calendar, activities. So, ayan. Still, letter A, sa private to. No face-to-face classes will be allowed earlier than August 24. Okay? Tingnan natin. Definition of terms, class days. Itong nilalaman ng DepEd order. Okay? Guidelines shall conduct the teaching learning. Alright. Okay, so still in the DepEd order number 30 series of 2020. So as of October 2, 2020. Amendments to DepEd order number 7 series of 2020. Tignan natin yung number 6. Okay? Because of the compressed school year, the Secretary is authorizing the holding of Saturday classes. Classes po siya. Holding of Saturday classes through the conduct of distance learning activities. Ano ba yung distance? Hindi to close learning. Hindi to face-to-face. Distance learning activities to be undertaken by learners pursuant to the Republic Act number 7797 as amended. Should religious consideration prohibit these Saturday activities, they shall be undertaken on Sundays. In all, the total class days in 2020-2021 school calendar will be 205 days. And learning intervention, yung ALS na yan. Okay? So, for DepEd order number 30, series of 2020 signed October 2, 2020. Amendments to the DepEd order number 007 series of 2020. Okay, so this is the DepEd order number 7 series of 2020. Number 6, because of the compressed school year, the Secretary is authorizing the holding of Saturday classes. Holding Saturday of classes through the conduct of distance learning activities. Yung mga Saturdays natin ay distance learning activities to be undertaken by learners pursuant to the Republic Act number 7797. Should religious consideration prohibit these Saturday activities. Okay, prohibit. Religious consideration, prohibit, pinagbabawal ang Saturday's activities. They shall be undertaken on Sundays in all the total class days, 2003. Okay, so as seen dito, we are directed to divide ourselves by 3 groups. Don't forget to bring individual monitoring form o sarili. We will use that for the home visit. So we are directed to conduct home visitation without knowing the danger, what will be our safety, what will be our assurance, is what if we are not going to conduct this, what will be the effect. Okay, are we going to submit form 6? This is home visitation that we are directed to. This is home visitation. Is there service credit? Okay, so we just comply even though that we have a different interpretation to the given DepEd order. So this is the interpretation of our school head maybe. This is the best understanding he can give. So divide yourself by 3 groups, fellows. Don't forget to bring individual monitor. So sinasadya na mayroong home visit for the days of Saturdays. Okay, and still in a group chat. Okay. So it is mandated, we are directed telling that on Saturday morning mapantayo ag house to house. We will go to house module monitoring. This is Saturday morning. You identify the minimum of 5 pupils to visit. Thanks. And you prepare also home visitation form. So this is the order from the school head. Okay, so what would be our safety for these Saturdays, and especially that we're going to the remotest areas of residence of these pupils? What if we are not going to go? Are we going to give Form 6? Or do we have service credit? Okay, no even. So this is just a question. Okay, so now we will give our the home visitation as done as mandated on the day of Saturday. Okay, it's good that we have this memorandum under Secretary for Curriculum and Instruction, reiteration of the implementation of paragraph 12 of DepEd Order number 7 series of 2020 entitled School Calendar and Activities for School Year 2020. So what are the reiterating? So first, when you say rescinded, it means kinansela, nawawalang sala, pawalang bisa, magpawalang bisa. Okay, so as you can see, okay, this is the DepEd order. Because of the compressed school year, the Secretary is authorizing the holding of Saturday classes through the conduct of distance learning activities to be undertaken by the learners. Pursuant to Republic Act number 7797, should the religious consideration prohibit these Saturdays activities, they shall be undertaken on Sundays. Here, okay, the continuation. However, teachers will not be required to report for work and engage in teaching activities on Saturdays and Sunday. Alright, so there. Okay, so on the last part of the encircled, the last sentence on the encircled part. However, teachers will not be required to report for work and engage in teaching activities on Saturdays and Sundays. So it's very, very, very clear. Okay. So anyway, we still violated this memorandum. Okay, I will just show how we have done our Saturday home visitation, and it is not home visitation that was required. It is a Saturday classes. It is not monitoring or module monitoring or home visitation. It was not. Okay, this Saturdays earlier, okay, was Saturday classes. It is a class. It is a distance learning activities. It is not even the module distribution or module monitoring. Okay, so anyway, we have videos. Okay, as seen after the visitation, pagkatapos ng mga visitation, mga tanong-tanong for the next house of a pupil. So ito, probably ito dikit-dikit, napaka ano na ito. There may tinakbuha, may nagpositive sa COVID na taga ibang barangay na tumakbo dito sa barangay dito. So anyway, parang wala sa kanila dahil taga ibang barangay. Anyway, dito sa mga sityong ito, dito sa mga kalyeng ito, tumakbo yung galing ng ibang barangay dito, pero parang ito. So from house to house, pagkatapos ng isang house, talagang susuotin mo ang iba't ibang eskinita. Okay, ang iba't ibang eskinita. Okay, so ito, makikita mo dikit-dikit ang mga dito mo makikita yung mga walang dikit-dikit yung nakikita ka diyan mga walang face mask, face shield. Most probably itong mga teachers pinupuno ang isang bahay. So, and of course, nagbibigay ng snacks ang mga parents. So, as you see, yung iba, walang mask na kailangan. Ito yung danger sa house monitoring. Mga nadadatnan mo, walang face mask. Pinapamerienda ka, nakakahiya naman na tatanggihan mo ang bibigay nilang pagkain para sa iyo. So whether you like it or not, hindi natin kung what if, di ba napakadelikado, napaka-sensitive ang pag-iingat natin sa virus. Ito nga, pandemya. So, and of course, na-require tayo ng 5 pupils na dapat i-monitor daw, ha? Tig-5. So, lahat ng lahat ng teachers na yan, tig-5 ang target na tutulungan. Okay? Tig-5 kung saang mandato, kung saang depth and order, kung paano nasabi na dapat 5. Wala rin. That is how aggressive ayaw ko nagsabihin. Okay? So, yan mga teachers, sumuong sila sa mga punong-punong eskinita. Mga aso, delikado. What is the safety? Mabuti mabait itong mga aso dito. Okay? So, as you see, yung mga teacher, naka-face mask, yung mga nadadatnan, walang face mask. Okay? Yung mga inaabot na merienda, oh no. Dapat hindi rin mag-abot ng merienda. Mahirap tanggihan, pero hindi naman lahat nagbibigay. Okay, so sinusuong mo yung kasulok-sulukan bahagi ng isang barangay. Okay? So that is the life of these teachers. Okay? Singits kasulok-sulukan, no? Okay? So, medyo nakakahiya ito, nakakahiya itong dapat actually naging surprise visit ito kasi mga surprise visit ito, kapitbahay. As you can see, makikita ng IATF to yung home visitation activity ng itong teacher ng Sabado na nasuong sa pahamak ang mga teachers. Tignan mo yung mga dinadatnan nilang mga bahay-bahay, walang face mask, wala rin nakaabang na alcohol. That is the risk ng sinunod namin. Okay, as you see, very risky talaga. Okay, that this is home visitation na sinunod namin, sumunod lang kami sa utos. Okay, dito pa rin, no? Iskin yung workers, yung mga construction worker, as you see, This is the danger na ipinagawa sa amin. Okay? Tingnan niyo. May face mask ba? Wala. May alcohol ba? Wala. So, ang teacher, okay. Frone. Ito ang kaya mabuti at sana nakaabot. Alam lahat ng school head ng mga dapat alam nila na ganito ang madadatnan ng mga teachers. Okay? So, I think hindi naman kailangan kung walang dahilan dahil ongoing naman lahat ng mga nadatnan naming pagsasagawa ng mga bata. Ongoing naman